I mixed rosemary with cloves. Once you find out why, you'll want to thank me for it. Rosemary tea with cloves is a very potent remedy that few people know about. And when you know all that this remedy can do for you, you'll want to do it today. Before I tell you everything, I already want to know which city in the world you are watching this video from. I'm very curious. This is a tea that will improve your immune system, prevent respiratory diseases, lower your cholesterol, improve digestion, decrease anxiety, and much more. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary fights various hepatogenic diseases, which threaten the immune system and harm the body. The active components in rosemary are naturally antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial. Antioxidant components behave like a second line of defense behind the body's own immune system. For the recipe, I'm going to use a tablespoon of dried rosemary. You can use fresh too, no problem. In this case, use 2 branches. Our second ingredient is cloves. As you can imagine, cloves are valuable not only for their aroma and taste, but also for their medicinal and health benefits. It contains a component called eugenol, which can fight severe diseases derived from fungi, viruses, and bacteria. Studies show that cloves improve insulin sensitivity, making it the best ally for people who have high blood sugar. The eugenol in cloves has a strong anti-inflammatory property, providing relief from arthritis, inflammation, and general body aches. Cloves also improve liver health by protecting cells from inflammation and degeneration. In our pan, we are going to add about 5 to 6 cloves, or half a tablespoon of powdered cloves. We all know that improving immunity is the greatest need of the moment. These 2 ingredients make a magical tea, with antiviral and antimicrobial properties. Drinking them together in a recipe will improve your immunity and all of your immune system functions. Add 3 cups of water to the pan and turn on the heat. With low heat, boil for 5 minutes. Then remove from the heat and let it cool naturally for 10 minutes. Strain the drink and rest the ingredients used. Drink for a week and consume within 8 hours after making it, so as not to lose its medicinal properties. You can also sweeten it with half a spoon of honey if you like. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in Psalms chapter 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I will lack nothing. That is, Jesus said that He is the good shepherd, He takes care of you. Don't be afraid even if you pass through the valley, and through dangers of death. He is present, sustains you, and helps you. Trust and rest in the faithfulness and love of the Supreme Shepherd. Thanks for watching this video so far. Take care, okay? Until the next video. Bye bye.